Alright then troops, welcome back to the channel, hope we're all fine and dandy. It is Thursday afternoon, well, it's Thursday evening. We're heading out in search of bass. There's a wee weather window there. We've had some horrible winds, gusting quite bad, well not badly but just not comfortable. They're like 30s, getting up to 30 mile an hour gusting. So tonight the wind has dropped away. I'm sure it's a west northwesterly, something like that, down to like, it'll be 10 gusting. So there's a window there, opportunity from now right through to I think tomorrow morning 9-10 o'clock. So hopefully we can get a fish out. I might do a bit of nighttime stuff. I've got the light, I've got everything ready, so aye, it could be a long one, but hopefully we can see a wee silver bar out, or a few. I've no idea what the sea state's like after the storms we've had the last few nights, like a few. I was doing an area yesterday and just took a look. I was actually just dropping off leaflets, and the sea had a bit of chop on it, but it's been westerly, which normally keeps the sea flat. Obviously with 30 mile, once you get up above the 20s and into near the 30s, it puts a bump on it regardless whether it's westerly or not. But aye, hopefully we can get into a few fish tonight. So I'm just going to make my way there now, so let us see if we can get some silver bars out. Get up. Right then troops, that's us just down here. It's windier than I thought, but it's manageable. What we'll do is we'll just start off with the soft plastics, 20 grams, something like that, try and get at the minute. We'll see how it goes once we get down there, and then obviously see if there's any fish. But there's a nice chop on. Like I say, we've still got the aftermath of what we've had the last few days. It's been quite... the wind's just never settled in a position, it's just been all over the place. So at the minute it's supposed to be blowing a different direction, what it's saying, but at the minute it's blowing in like a, what feels like a straight southerly. But we'll see when we get down there. I think the lure of choice is going to have to be something like a sandy Andy in that surf, because it's quite surfy. So at the moment the tide is dropping out, so we're about 4 hours down, 4 hours till low water. So we want something nice and bright. It's going to attract the bass in. If we can find a nice white sandy Andy or something like that. Put this one on, it's a bit battered and bruised, but it'll do it. And then I've got a host of other lures that I can try. The good old faithful Savage Gear, lovely gravity sticks, lovely jubbly. Right, so I'm going to make our way down there and see if we can get a bass out of it. Now, I'm saying now that the wind's going to be quite bad, so I would imagine you might struggle on the camera, but hopefully not. But we shall see whether we get a lot of wind noise or not. I would imagine we will, because it's quite windy to be fair. But we'll see how it turns out. And like I say, if we get a fish, well, I'll bring you to I'll let you see the fish. And I've got a couple of nice diving soft plastics there, so I'll be switching between soft plastics, and then I'll probably put a couple of, well, you can't go wrong with the hound glides, stuff like that, so I'll be trying all sorts. The water looks clear as well, so there should be bass down here. So I'm going to get into it, get down there and let's get started. Get up, come on the bass. Go. Right troops, that's us down on the rocks. I'm going to get the first chuck out with the Sandy Andy, so fingers crossed we can see a basil out. So as always, get the clutch set before you even bother starting. Nice and tough. So it's quite tough. You get a good fish. Like I said before, the last thing you want is losing that fish on there. So I always get mine preset, and that way I'm going to get upset with myself if I lose a fish. Right, so let's get into it. Come on. Right, we're just going to flick about the half peel, 20 grams, see how we get on. Come on, loving the surf at the minute. Hopefully there's a wee basil out there for me. Come on the bass. Right, so nothing happening here at the minute. Just going to ship across to another wee spot to over the bay, and hopefully there's a wee fish in there, just between these kind of rocks and gullies and stuff. And then, like I said, there was garfish in there, just popping off when the lure hit the water. They were just obviously got a fright and then just shot away. But there will be bass here. I just need to keep persevering with it. So at the minute I've got this YPR, it's a half eel on, it's about 21 grams I think it is, 20 grams. So hopefully that'll do the job. The water is clear. Probably I always rate mine from 1 being crystal clear to 5 being chocolatey dirty, so I'm going to say it's about 2, so it's perfect for running your soft plastics through. And they've got a bit of a swell, so it's even better, it's more inviting. The bass should be excited and feeding because of the swell and just mixing all the bait and that up, so just got to keep going and see if we can get one. Alright, so let's get back into it and see if we can get one at Ghetto. Mr. Crab's not happy, is he? Bosh, he's peeled as well, look. Nice and clean, no barnacles. Big clean peeler. Right, we better leave him alone. Ooh, get up, get up. I used to collect you for fun. You're lucky. That's a nice big bass bait, that. Crinkly as well. Yeah. Right. Right, so that's had a few casts, just going to keep going. That seal has stayed down in there for ages, so he's obviously looking for something round about that rock. Hopefully he chases them out this way. Just slow it up. As soon as you get to the edge, just slow the lure right up. Oh, there. You see the pollock? Tiny wee pollock, that. So that. Another chuck in the back of that rock. Pardon me. Let's move on to this wee gully. Shipping. Let's have a look at this in here. I want to get in there between that rock and that rock and see if there's any fish. That's it. I should be able to get them through this gap. Come on. Got a bit of basil in here, surely. Oh, we're in. There's a fish. It's a pollock. There you go, eh? That's definitely a wee pollock. Probably come off, hopefully. What is it? Where is it? What is it? Oh, oh, what is it? A wee schoolie. There you go, look. Oh, Jesus crikey. Lovely, we love them. Knew there'd be a wee schoolie in there. Think there'll be any bigger ones. Let's get them off. Oh, come on, son. Stop it. There we go. Stop. We'll get you lifted and put you back in. Just hiding in that wee hole. There you go. Little schoolie. Must only be about 25 centimetres, maybe a wee bit more. Lovely. Target achieved. They are here. Right, let's pop them back in and see if there's any more that'll want that sandy Andy. There you go, Sean. Off you go. There you are, blank's off. Get up. Made a right mess of my lure though. See if we can get him back in there. Oh no, what have you done? Oh, you've cast on that rock, there we go. Wind caught that one. Hey! It was in here, he was just sitting on the edge. Bang! Ah, you got to, they sit in the ambush. Oh, there's another bite there. There we go. Oh, no, there's maybe a couple sitting in here, you know. That one had a right go at that. Ripped my lure, you bugger. You don't get in the back there. Active. Oh, there's another wee knot there, look. Don't know if they're bass or whether they're pollock. Another one up there. Yarrow. See if they can get in the back of that gully. Perfect. Lovely. Right then guys, so you ever wonder why the bass are so prevalent at night? Well, these even come out of, yeah, I don't know, like we used to do a lot of crabbing back in the day, and at night time, at certain times, these things used to just come out and crawl all over the beach, everywhere, peeling, non-peelers, but mostly peelers, and well, the bass are in here, in all this, looking for these. This was just crawling across the rock, moving up the beach, trying to get as far up the beach as it possibly can, away from the hungry predators. So aye, that's why night time's a key time for bassing. So aye, wee bit of information there. Honestly, if you can get the right time of the year, and these things, they move up the bay at night time in the cover of darkness, it's safer for them. So old Basil knows that, and he's in there milling them all up. Right, want to see if I can get another one out. Come on, the bass. Oh, a nightmare this is. Night time on the most treacherous ground ever. Whew. Right troops, what a belter! Get up! That's fishing, boy. Let's get the light on. That's a really nice bass. Spindle worm. Right, let's get these are 60, nae bother. Let me just grab it. I've no net, that's the trouble. Grab him and then move back. Ah. Right, you're a big powerful beast. This one's a belter. Yes. We just took off. There you are, trooper scoopers. Get that right in the air. What a bass, eh? That thing just absolutely smashed. No landing net either. Couldn't get the camera on quick enough. Bugger. I think he'll push 60, like he's a 60. Be close anyway. Get my fishy mat out. Let's get him off. I need it off. Spindle worm. Absolutely mullered. Right troops, look at this for a fish. Boosh! Bang! What a beauty! Just hit the spindle worm, just in darkness. Absolute stunning fish. I'll get them measured and get them back, but that there is what we come fishing for. Boosh! Absolute beauty of a thing. I hope you can see no bother. But that just hit with absolute power. Pull the drag, and I have my drag set pretty hefty, so bang! Camden, son. Right, he's tail whacking. He wants away. But aye, I'll get him back. But a lot of fish. He's not happy. Right, get him back. Get up. Got a picture and get you away. Right, calm it. If you just calm down, you're just about to come back. 60 centimetres. This. Let's see if there's any more. Let's get them back. I've got to walk all the way over here. Absolute bloody nightmare. Absolutely hit that like a train. A wee pissy pollock before that, and then this boy just, well, he wasn't letting go of that spindle worm. Let's see, get him back. God, loving it. Oh, yes, get up. Time to go home. Oh yeah. Treacherous. Oh, you beauty, look what I found on the way back to... Get up! Yes! Me lucky net. Well, I've found you again. Get you clipped on. Don't leave me again, please. Done. Must have hooked on that rock as I came off and just fell. Oh, I'm so happy I found that again. Yes. No, get off my net. I've already lost it once already. I think I smell a fox. Right, troops, here we are. Another session done. Difficult conditions, but still managed a nice fish out, a nice 61. So that's 5 in a row. Can't keep going like this forever. Just got the wee journey back to the van now. It is pitch black. I don't know, can't see 5 yards in front of me, so it is what it is. Aye, so session, one small fish. I thought might have had more. But as the tide got down to that sweet spot, as I've always said down here, we started to see fish. I missed a fish. I had the wee fish first, then I missed a fish, but that one must just have, well, it got right in behind that rock really quick, so I'm snook it. That's what it is, isn't it? You win some, you lose some. Then I had the big fish on the spindle worm, 61 centimetre, which I'm totally happy with. Superb, in fact. Really happy with that. And now I'm going to head home. So get the journey on the scoot back to the van, and then get home. I've not a clue what time it is either. So thanks for watching. It's been another journey tonight. Tough session, but at least we've had fish here. So I just want to say thanks again to the people that are liking and subscribing. If you could just get a wee like and subscribe if you're new to the channel or whatever, I really appreciate it. It helps grow the channel as well. So. And if I can help you in any way regarding lures, gear, all that kind of stuff, just message me and I'll message you back like I do, always do. Right, troops, so that's me done for this session. I'm gonna get back to the van, so hopefully I'll see you on the next one. Get up. Labrax Mafia, snood on, stop flies as well as the wind and the sun. Eco, race, sport. Sport is get me home mode. Boosh! 40 mile an hour. If I hit a deer, I'm fucked.